Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use dark circle patches. First, begin by gently cleansing your face to remove any makeup, dirt, or oils. A clean canvas ensures maximum absorption of the patch's beneficial ingredients. Next, pat your skin completely dry with a soft towel. Moisture can prevent the patches from adhering properly, so this step is crucial for effective treatment. Now, let's talk about application. Gently peel one patch from its protective backing, being careful not to touch the gel side too much. Place the patch directly under your eye, ensuring the wider part extends towards your outer eye corner. Lightly press down to secure it, smoothing out any small air bubbles to ensure full contact with your skin. Repeat for the other eye. For best results, leave the patches on for the recommended duration, typically between 15 and 20 minutes. This allows the active ingredients ample time to penetrate your skin. Avoid wearing them for much longer, as they can start to dry out and potentially reabsorb moisture. When time is up, gently peel each patch off, starting from the inner corner of your eye. After removing the patches, you'll likely have some beneficial serum remaining on your skin. Gently pat this into your under eye area using your ring finger. Do not rinse it off. This allows your skin to fully absorb all the goodness. Finish by applying your favorite eye cream or moisturizer to lock in the hydration and further enhance the brightening effects.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.